Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Anjali Uppal. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my videos. So today's video is, by the title you already know, is the clean girl makeup look. So what is a clean girl makeup look? It's basically badi behan of no makeup look, okay? And for the girls who don't like to wear too much of makeup, just minimal makeup, I think this is what you should be doing. Also, I think it's just something that is so chic, and I love how sleek your hair looks like. You can do this for your presentation or your Zoom meetings. I saw this look trending everywhere. I think this is something which started from TikTok, then came to Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, and I wanted to try this out and give it a shot, and I think I did a pretty good job. So firstly, I'm gonna start with toner. So I'm gonna use this Plum green tea alcohol free toner. Warm it up and just apply very gently to my face. To get that natural glow, I'm going to use this RENEE Glass Glow. It's a very lightweight oil and it's one of my favorites. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use this Clinique Moisture Surge. Skincare just makes your base go very smoothly and it can make it last for a really long time. Since this is similar to no makeup look, so I am going to go ahead with this Just Herbs in the shade Too Natural Skin Tint. So you can even go ahead with a liquid lightweight foundation if you don't have a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer, because you want your base to look very radiant and sheer and very lightweight. So now moving to concealer, I'll be using this DIOR Forever Skin Correct in the shade 3N. A liquid blush from Rare Beauty. It's in the shade Hope. So I'll be applying this onto the outer ear just over here, so that just gives a very lifted look to your face. I am doing blush like that nowadays, but you can definitely do it as you wish. But since I am using a liquid blush, I would be doing my powder later. Always make sure whenever you are applying liquid or cream products to your face, do that first and then go with your powder products. I am slightly going to contour over here, not much, just a little, using this Wet n Wild contour palette. Now to set my face, I'll be using this loose powder from K Beauty in Almond. Going to set wherever I've applied concealer, that my concealer won't crease and it would stay throughout the day. On my eyelids as well, since I've applied concealer there as well. That's with face. I am not doing anything to my brows. I'll just be using this tinted brow mascara from NYX Cosmetics. This is in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to use this a little, not much, just a little, and just comb it through my brows. going to use this brown Kajal from Lakme Eyeconic and just apply it close to my lash line. Now taking this brush, I will smudge. So I'm very lightly just taking it out and I'm trying to create a wing. A little bit of the contour palette that I used earlier, and I'm gonna use this contour shade a little bit. Going to take the powder, the loose powder, a bit, and just apply it above it. So for mascara, I'll be using this Nykaa Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara. And just to give a little bit of glow, I'm going to apply this MAC Strobe cream on the high points of my face, at the back of my hand, and just going to dot it very lightly. I don't want too much, I just want it to look very natural as possible. Can you see? And for my lips, firstly I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame lip liner. One of the lipsticks that I reach out to whenever, you know, I'm just heading out and I'm having very minimal makeup on my face is this Huda Beauty Bullet lipstick in the shade Rendezvous. So that is it. That's the finished clean makeup look. You know, I have so many baby hair that I cannot just let them, you know, stay in place. They will come out. So you can do any kind of look. You can just have a nice tight bun, and yeah, this is how it looks like. I feel this is one of those kind of looks. Just gives a very powerful boss vibes kind of look. You know, very minimal but very bossy. Best part is just it looks very glowy but very natural. This is something that I see myself wearing on days when I just don't feel like throwing, you know, a lot of makeup and going with a heavy, you know, foundation. You just don't feel like you have makeup on your skin. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.